healthy people what to eat in evening, like what to have on a dinner. Everyone wanna have a really nice dinner and will eat at the same time and healthy. So last evening I eat just salad, but my lunch, actually I had lunch and second lunch it was quite big, so I take only salad for the dinner. And today, so now about 7 p.m, so still have enough time, I'll make a fruit salad. Like, I don't know, I love fruit salads, can eat it forever, I guess. So we have sour apple and sweet apple. So basically, any fruits you have, like literally any fruits, you can mix it and make a fruit salad with it. You can mix some vegetables. Sometimes I add a little bit of pumpkin or beetroot or carrot, and it feels fine. You can add some greens, so it don't have a strong taste or tasteless. But be careful. I make a lot of experiments, and sometimes put like dill or basil or something, like you try with the garlic and like literally with everything. And sometimes it tastes like so terrible, but you know it's healthy and you still eat it. But it definitely is not what you propose to your guests. And I have quite a lot of guests, and hopefully see everyone quite happy with what I cook. Oh, maybe they just shy. I'm terrible in the kitchen, like, oh really, it's great. So, hopefully not. And yeah, what foods to use? It depends where you stay. If you stay somewhere in Asia, Africa, India, probably it will be some tropical fruits. In Europe, it will be different fruits. In Russia, probably you'll add more berries to it. You can use everything. You can use even dried fruits, like literally anything. And if you have access only to certain fruits, let's say apples, pears, I don't know, peach, whatever. And yeah, if you eat it every day during a week or months, probably you cannot do it anymore. So you can add some, I don't know, maybe a little bit of honey or take some yogurt, whatever. But this one, just for example, I'm not fan of the yogurt from magazine, from some store, but if you have like real yogurt from real cow, it's great, or maybe some double cream, which is perfect. So you can try, add some spices, add some different ingredients for make the same fruits taste different. Initially, you can change the taste to the same fruits. For example, take green apples, squeeze it, make a juice, and put sour juice on it. Or you can use lime or lemon. You can squeeze it, and it's make a bit different taste. Same with pineapple. Just a second. Also kiwi, and it's like, you see it right hard, it's green kiwi, so it's like really sour. People even marinate the meat in a kiwi. It has so many acids. You can add to some salad as well, so to make like quite interesting taste of sweet and sour. And anything you have, just feel free to add it. For example, if I eat only fruits now after hard training, probably I will be like really hungry. So for sure add some grains to it, so grains and nuts and any kind of seeds you have or like, you can add it to it, and it will be like absolutely fine. Okay, just. So like any fruits you have, just can add to it. So it's dry pear, like this. So some fruits don't have strong taste, some fruits have strong smell, some sweet, some sour. So any combination should be quite well. Okay, we have grains. So any grains you have, oats, wheat, buckwheat, anything you can add to it. And I know if you eat some grains like for 1 week or 1 month's time after, it's quite difficult for looking at. So if you mix it with something, it will be really more better. nuts, for sure, nuts. Any nuts you have, peanuts, whatever, like any other nuts, you can have, like, I have hundreds of types of different nuts here. Also, if you gain weight, seeds, any seeds you have, if you gain weight, you can add some oil, it's coconut oil. You will not feel any taste. Honey, it's good idea, add some honey if you gain weight. Now it's 7 p.m. should be okay, but eat any sweets in the evening or before sleep. It's not really good idea because you might increase your insulin level, and I already explained about your insulin and hormone, growth hormone, so you can watch those videos and give you more ideas. So if you have more ideas how your body is working, how food works for your body, you can know what you can eat, and you can construct your regime better. And still, I suggest you not listen myself or any other one. Just try to check it by yourself. The best way, just find some book. Now we have like a lot of books, and you can read information, so you get more knowledge, and you can compare to other articles or people feedbacks on the forums or whatever, and you can create your own idea. But still, I read a lot of books. Maybe I'll make another video and suggest some. So when you read some information, you don't know if it's true or not, and you try to check it on yourself, certain diet, and see how sugars works for you, or starch, or whatever, and see, yeah, damn, it's working. So probably maybe not everything true, but it's working certain ways. So you know, okay, in this way I can lose weight, in this way I can gain weight. So in this way I can rest more, recover better my body, and so on. So like as I said, any fruits you have, everything just add to it. I want to mix so many fruits, probably not enough space for it. I try to mix different fruits all the time, but sometimes I do the same and I buy like 1 kilogram of mango, 1 kilogram of pineapple, and so on. So just use it every day, the same fruits. Yeah, I take off the seeds now for afterwards, just relax and enjoy myself. It's not for separate the seeds from like fruit salad. It's quite a long process, but better if you lose weight, any sweet or kind of fruit salad, eat in the daytime or before noontime. But today I don't know, I'm like feel so hungry and don't want to cook anything else, but still have a little bit beans left, so it's okay. Make small celebration with the fruit salad. I don't know, it seems like I can eat this food like forever. And fruits you can eat like raw, without anything, without any spicy, without like nothing. It tastes like really cool. You don't need to cook it or add anything to it. It's just like really perfect food. But to be a fruitarian, it's people who eat only fruits. It seems like you eat a lot of sugar, like, but it's not a processed sugar, it's a natural one. You eat a lot of glucose and fructose. So you like should gain weight, but in real you cut your calories and you lose weight. So I get like so lean and I think, oh, it's probably I'm too skinny. So I still eat only raw fruits for 3 months when I was in Asia, and it was like season of fruits. In summertime when it's really cheap and it's a lot of fruits and they get protein, so people like sell it for really, really small money. So it like costs really nothing. But still, yeah, you lose weight. So for sure, without beans and grains, it's quite difficult for being the same weight category. Okay, I think I'll add mango to it as well. I have 2 types of mango. One is green sorrow, and one is sweet. Oh, yeah, maybe make a sweet evening today. So much sweets. Probably should be some celebration. But still, as I said before, like anything you have, literally anything, you can mix it. And also very interesting Asian style of making salads. They can mix like beans, grains, and some grains and bits they cook sweet, and vegetables like cucumbers, tomato, mix it with the apples and mango and pineapples, and like it's really interesting combination with sweet and really not sweet ingredients, and it's okay. In the shops in Asia, even saw when people sell salads with mayonnaise or ketchup or some like salty sauce, but still they add some vegetables and really sweet fruits, and like really strange combination. Taste a bit strange, but it's okay, and you can try it. But if you want to try something new, you're not sure it will taste good or not, make like really small portion, because sometimes when I make some shakes or fruit salads or something new, and after like, oh my god, it's like so difficult to eat, like, oh, and you're okay, I have to. But still, if you're really hungry, I'm pretty sure you can eat like everything, even a bucket during 1 month. Especially after like hard training, like you're really hungry. Okay, so we add like so many things already. Yogurt, yeah, we'll add even yogurt here, so it will be really great combination. I don't know, I put for a small plate. Yeah, eat a lot of salads, a lot of fruit salads. I guess if I have a guest, I make like a really big plate. But for one time I can eat like 1 kilo of fruits easily. And, you know, it's feel completely light, but if you eat even 300 or 500 grams of pasta or potato or rice, you'll get absolutely not the same feelings. Now only problem how to mix it up. Mix it up somehow. And we done. Looks like a good job. So some people, they cannot cook at all, even girls, not only guys. As my mom said, you know, like if you're able to cook for yourself, you don't need to ask for anyone, and like anytime you can cook anything what you want, so it's really good when you're small for learning some like even basic skills about cooking. So I just little bit helped my parents a few times, and that's it. Like really simple. If you get the idea how to make what, you can cook everything. But now I get more lazy, so I cook like very quick things like salads, vegetables, because it takes like 5-15 minutes, don't need much time. So now I just make explanation, make everything like nicer, more complicated. Usually not like that. Usually I do like everything much quicker, less accurate. And if it's something new and I'm not sure if it is good or not, I don't care. It's healthy, I'll eat it, no problem. So I eat for purpose. But still, as I said before, you can make a simple food like taste really delicious. And even similar ingredients, you can make some changes every day, and you can still season it. Same like bodybuilders who like on a strict diet, eat only eggs, tuna, some rice, salad, steak, and everything every day is the same. Oats, and after years, really cannot cook on this food. And it's years, day by day, all the same. So I try to make it more bright, more different, more interesting. I think it's enough. Preparation, of course, not like in a restaurant, but good enough. Great. So, be healthy and improve your skills for making fruit salads and other salads. So, see you soon.